Akshita Sadananda, and guys, I have made this two-piece out of one single frock. And this is so perfect beachy dress. Can you guys see that? How cute is this, right? I look so cute. Oh my god. Okay, this is some fake, really fake excitement I'm giving it. Never mind. Guys, on a serious note, yes, I have made this two-piece out of single frock. I'll just show you guys this DIY. It's really simple. Without any further ado, let's get to the video.
Cut the frock into two halves, one for the top and the other for the bottom. I cut leaving 2 inches at the top because I wanted to retain the buckle area as is so that it will not become an extra task to add belt or buckle area. I'm gonna cut the shoulder area as well since I do not need it, and gonna make it look like one large rectangle piece and attach the straps to it. Keep the top portion aside and move on to the skirt so that we can fix the skirt first and later move on to the top portion. Mark the skirt according to your desired length and cut it accordingly. Keep the rest of the fabric so that you can use it for the ruffles. Insert the elastic which fits your waist and sew the waist and the bottom as well. We are now done with the skirt, so let's move on to the top portion now. I have taken one long strip of leftover fabric from the skirt and adding it to the top to give the ruffle look since it's really small on me. For the straps again, I have taken 1.5 inch width and desired length. Fold the fabric halfway and sew it. Insert the elastic to the straps, attach the strap to the top. this is how the finished DIY looks like.
Try it out, because until and unless you don't try, you will not be able to do it, guys. Just don't watch it, try it out. Like, you will have a lot of ideas when you keep trying it. One time you may fail, but that doesn't mean, you should not try it. Keep trying it and you will definitely get succeed. I'm sure about it. So keep trying it, and fail for 2-3 times, that's okay, totally fine. And then it's always good to reuse or do DIYs on your clothes and reuse it, because it's quite affordable, right? Why buy new clothes when you can afford it, when you can do it yourself, right? For this cheap. I've not spent one single penny on this. I've spent zero on this, but still I could get this cute little top, cute little dress. Yes, I'm so happy with this, guys. You will also be happy, I'm sure about it. So just try out. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and never miss to click that bell button, because every time I upload a video, you guys get intimidated by that. Every time I upload a video, you get notified by that, and you get to watch really excited me. That's it, guys. Hope you guys liked it, and